Hey, good morning, guys. It's August 24th, 2020. Your due now is something very simple. If you're in class, it's just to get your R book, your headphones, and an independent reading book. And then today our objectives are I can make inferences about a topic-based image, and I can use active viewing and listening skills to build background and content knowledge about key ideas from a video. We're going to start our first workshop today, so that's what we're going to do. So you'll notice on your Canvas that there's a Pear Deck, and it's student paced, and it's going to ask you questions and have little spots for you to put your responses. So you're working at your own pace, but answering these questions. So we're going to try to do this a little more often. So those remote learners full-time and when you're not here can kind of stay on pace and answer the questions, and I can see how you're responding. It's also going to tell me if you're going through the slideshow each day. So if you went to modules and went all the way down to August 24th, you'll see August 24th Pear Deck, and it'll take you through the slides that I'm going through with my group in person. So hopefully this might be a little bit better and easier for you to go through yourself. So I'm going to go back. I also want you to go ahead and, as you're doing the Pear Deck and going through the slides with me, also the real book, if you are at home, I don't want you taking the real book with you. So I have uploaded some of those pages in there for you to complete. You simply just need to click on that assignment. If you want to make it bigger, you can do this. But in these little boxes, it gives you a chance to type in your answers. So we're going to go through some of the vocab today. I'm going to show you a beginning video, and then you can follow along and just type in your answers. Okay. So I'm not going to go through all of these. I just need you to stop and answer the questions on the Pear Deck as you're going through it. Okay. It says, what is inferencing? How to look for clues and mysteries. And then in future looking ahead, we're going to use inferencing to analyze characters in a novel as well. So on this slide, when you get to it, see, think, wonder, you have 5 different pictures here, and I want you to pick 2 of them. And what I want you to do is, what do you see? So if I chose this one, I would say I see a casket. What do you think? Well, what do you think about this picture? And then what do you wonder about? Okay, so I want you to choose 2 and then go through on your Pear Deck and answer this. What do you see, think, and wonder? On this video, you'll get a chance to look at the anchor video. It kind of gives you an insight to what this workshop will be about. So if you put this in present mode, you can simply click on this and it will take you to the video. But I will not show it to you right now because you can do that on your own. Okay? So what you're going to do in small group today is you're going to complete that vocab. Okay? You're going to complete this. Ooh, I'm not going to give you the answers there. You're going to complete this on your own, and that's under the assignments. Okay, don't forget that. This is the student assignment under the modules. You'll complete that as you watch the video. It's all about vocab. You'll get on your software, and then you'll also be doing some independent reading. So after you finish all that, don't forget that it's time to grab a book. Don't forget that it's time to do software as well, okay? And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Go through the Pear Deck, do your stations, and submit it when you're done. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.